Good morning. Today is day 5. We're going up to Penrith, so we've got, I can't remember how many kilometres. I'm just losing count of where we are, what day it is. It's a little bit chilly. I stupidly forgot to zip my tent up last night and it was chucking it down and I was completely wet through and kept waking up because I was cold, and then I realised, oh, it's because my tent isn't zipped up properly, so didn't have the best night's sleep. I feel a little bit, hiya. I don't know, not as G'd up. I think because yesterday was just such a high, I feel like, now we're just carrying on. So yeah, that's where we're at today. Loads of people like fettling with their bikes. I think because of the mud and stuff yesterday, people's bikes were just absolutely blathered. Loads of, I don't know, problems.
Good morning.
Good morning. I was just saying, I feel a little bit, how do you feel?
Come on, we'll get you through it. That's what it's all about. All about.
Oh my god. Alright, how can you not like be cheered up by this guy?
Medication.
So we're at pit stop 1 of the day, and I take it all back. I feel just amazing now. I think maybe I was just a little bit sleepy, but yeah, I am feeling good. I'm feeling excited, and we were just cycling along those beautiful, beautiful lanes, and I was like, God, I just love riding my bike. Been some talk about the South being the best cycling in the UK, but I would have to beg to differ, because welcome to the North. Look at this. I just can't even, I'll just let that speak for itself. The North is just the best for cycling ever, and I just love it. Like I'm cycling through, went through the Forest of Bowland, and I just love that this is my home. So yeah. Hey, are you alright? Little wander down this way. Look at that view. We're at a very exciting moment in the ride. We are halfway there. I knew it was going to be today at some point, but I didn't realise here. So yeah, we are smack bang in the middle of the ride already. So it's quite exciting. Yeah, feeling good. Ready to head off. We're going to go up Shapfell now, which is about 10k climb, which I am super excited about because I don't think I've ever done it. Yeah, I don't think I've done it. So we're going to go up this way and then carry on, but obviously I'm going to show you the climb. That was the beautiful, God, Shapfell. I can't remember the name of it then. So I'm sweating, and you probably can't even hear me because of the wind up here, but it is spectacular. This is another climb. How did I not know about this climb? It is so pretty, so pretty. So yeah, what did you think of it?
Excellent.
Excellent!
Lots of fun.
So good, wasn't it?
It was amazing. It's better getting down, I hopefully.
Yes, let's get some good descending going.
You can see all the way